Tower Experiment 250, Charlie Foxtrot, right turn to the left, midfield downwind.
0 Charlie Foxtrot affirmative, midfield left downwind, stay at 2500. Oh, 0 Charlie Foxtrot, is that U-turn into the downwind now?
Affirmative.
Charlie Foxtrot, I'll tell you what, just stay at 2500, turn the base and fly down the runway. They're offloading the arrivals on 27 left. Just orbit there at 2500 for now.
At 2500, where we are or overfly the runway?
You can overfly, just orbit up there. Stay up at 2500 for me right now.
Okay, then we're going to turn base and then turn inbound then, thank you.
0 Charlie Foxtrot affirmative, you're just orbiting, just, you know, a little box pattern over the runway. Just stay at 2500, they're offloading arrivals on 27 left at the moment.
Go. Experimental 250 Charlie Foxtrot, confirm you want us to continue orbiting or are we cleared for the landing?
0 Charlie Foxtrot, on my 27 left, clear to land.
Land 27 left, 0 Charlie Foxtrot.
Stop. If you haven't already, turn direct towards the airport. Tight left base, 27 left, clear land.
It was an Allegiant.
Bonanza, I see you coming out there. Just go out, head out to the east. You see the 17, just point your nose at him. There's a taxiway there. Take us to the left. And then you'll enter runway 23, come back next to that C-17 and hold short of 27 right.
Experimental turn 250 Charlie Foxtrot, corner around.
Yes, sir, sorry about that. Charlie Foxtrot, good able.
The tower, good morning. Great Anshank 3 Mike Alpha on the Warbird South, 10 miles out.
Temperature's out about 193 miles an hour, about 70% power. So it's pretty fuel efficient and fast. It's a tandem seat configuration.
One Mike Alpha enter the midfield to right or left outlet for 27.
Okay, Grand Anshank 3 Mike Alpha, enter midfield downwind for 27 left.
And how far out are you for 1 Mike Alpha?
We're at 9.3 right now.
Roger. 27 left, reports 2 mile final.
The 2 mile final, we'll report that to 0 Charlie Fox, 2,500 feet.
L39 on the runway, turn left at 5. And brake right, please. Wherever you'd like to brake, your call, brake right for after one flight.
We'll wait for the yellow tail dragger. 3043.
Sun Country 3043, need a right turn now. The trip you hold for you, need you to go quick. We'll hold the skinny runway for you.
Okay, we'll do a right turn. We'll do a quick Sun Country 3043 into the right.
Go right in the parking via Mike. I need you to go in Sun Country.
We'll go right into my Sun Country 3043.
You know, all of our tenants, we have 8 businesses, no organizations here on this airport. Obviously, Sunappun's one of the biggest.
We'd appreciate a little faster primary. We really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
But we all get it, you know, and it's about sustaining our industry and aviation and, you know, getting everybody here and back in the swing of things, too, because I know my friends up at EAA and Oshkosh, you know, Jim Shell, the airport manager up there, and he's like, is it on? Are you guys doing it? He's calling me months before, texting me. I was like, oh, yeah, we're doing it. And, you know, so here we are, and, you know, so the pressure's on.
Really appreciate that primary. Thank you.
Because I missed you last year.
What's been your observation of the how things have been going?
Things have been going great, and again, we have just a tremendous team here. Again, my team, but you know, all the volunteers here at Sunapun, you know, the Sunapun staff and all their team with Lights, Greg Gibson, you know, Tracy Neal, Laura Bond. Right, they got to go somewhere, and there's a lot of folks coming here in Lakeland and Polk County, and there's about 3,000 homes being built southwest of the airport here, and you know, so hopefully they know we're growing, and we're gonna have, we like to generate noise, and then we project away. You know, but there's big changes coming with the master plan too, because you know, over the next 8 to 10 years, we are going to take 523 out, and we're going to build another parallel south of 927. So that'll be a lot of work moving forward, especially working hand in hand with our friends at Sun and Fun, you know, and adjusting and moving buildings, because all those exhibit buildings over there, they're going to move, you know, and we're going to put them in the best locations for the, you know, the future of this event, and work with the financials to make that happen as well. It's not just Sun and Fun, but we want to build
What your long-range plans were here, and I heard a little bit about some of those things going on, or the potential for them. But when do you expect things like that to begin? It's not like there's going to be dirt moving next year.
Well, no, the first thing that has to happen is our VOR, our big bowling pin over here on the east side of the airport, out front of Drogheda.
Cherokee, that's all runway 523, that's north of runway 27, don't break. Okay, runway 27, left, runway.